Stonehenge is an ancient monument that has captivated people for centuries. Located in Wiltshire, England, the monument was built more than 4,000 years ago and has been the subject of numerous theories and hypotheses about its purpose and origins. In this video, we will explore the fascinating history of Stonehenge, from its ancient beginnings as a Neolithic temple to its modern-day role as a popular tourist attraction. The earliest known record of Stonehenge dates back to the Neolithic period, around 3100 BCE. At this time, the monument was likely used as a place of ritual and religious ceremony, with the stones serving as a sacred place for the dead. Over time, the monument evolved and changed, with new stones being added and existing stones being rearranged. By the Bronze Age, Stonehenge had become a complex site featuring a series of concentric rings of stones, each with its own unique purpose. Despite its ancient origins, Stonehenge has continued to be a source of fascination for people throughout the ages. In the 16th century, the monument was rediscovered by archaeologists and historians, who began to study and analyze it in greater detail. In the 19th and 20th centuries, the site became a popular tourist attraction, with visitors flocking from all over the world to see the iconic stones. Today, Stonehenge is protected as a World Heritage Site and is considered one of the most important historical and cultural landmarks in the world. Despite the many theories and hypotheses that have been put forth over the years, the true purpose of Stonehenge remains something of a mystery. Some experts believe that the monument was used as a place of worship and ritual, while others argue that it was a site for astronomical observations or a place of healing. Regardless of its ultimate purpose, Stonehenge remains an enduring symbol of the ingenuity and mystery of our ancient ancestors.